welcome back to part 2 of the Cubby house. Alright, so yeah, my name's Josh, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you didn't see the last video, here is this. That was part 1, it was kind of like a little teaser. This is the first proper video, or the second one, whatever. But what I am going to do today is finish painting the outsides of the windowsills and stuff like that, and possibly the roof. And then I'm going to put the tiles on, and then hopefully get some LED strip lights in here. All of that today. And then yeah, I'll run through a floor plan and other stuff, but we gotta shoot for that, because yeah, let's do it. Alright, so basically I'm gonna smash out the painting, and probably not record that much because I just want to smash that out, and then we can get into the good stuff like the flooring and all that jazz. But yeah, let's start the painting right now. It's done. Oh yeah. Bring it back. This painting is hard. I do not know how any painter is not depressed. How do they do this? But yeah, we're gonna do the roof. Finally, it is like literally 30 degrees in here at the minimum. Alright, we started on the roof. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Mom's gonna kill me. This is the awkwardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Lucky though, for me, I'm a bloody short ass, so I can actually stand up in here. My brother is the one that was whinging about me not getting this project done because I've been working on other things for my YouTube, for other stuff. He's whinging because he wants to have a party tomorrow. If you're watching this, I hope you're happy. You prick. I've done it. That's the roof. It looks like a floor, doesn't it? So it's currently 12:50. That took me about 2 hours. I need a drink. It's so hot in here. But I need to do the door again. I've done all the seals. I think they're fine. I think the window seals that I had already done a coat on are perfect. So the door needs to go again. And then I'm going to do the roof again. Then I'm going to touch up the walls because I've made a lot of mistakes and there's a lot of little black dots everywhere and smudges. And then I'm going to look at flooring. Oh my god, this is retarded. Alright, we've finished a second coat-ish on the roof. And this, so now I'm going to quickly go to Bunnings, grab a few more things, come back, do a quick another paint, then let it dry, and then roof, flooring. Alright, holy, it is hot in this car. Alright, basically what I am going to do is I'm going to go down to Bunnings. Oh my god, am I moving? That's how hot it is. That's how hot it is in this car, in this Cubby house. I'm gonna go down to Bunnings right now, get some silicone, some Rusty's nuts for like the flooring and stuff. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'll cut and I'll show you guys the floor plan and how we're gonna attack that, so. Alright, so the floor plan. Basically, if I'm to draw this up, this is where the door is. And I think it is 12 tiles, so I have to put them against there. There's about 2 that go up here, and then about another ones that go here, and then I have 2 more to fill in these gaps here, and then that leaves this space. We'll go into more of that when we're doing the interior, but yeah, basically this whole area of the floor will be tiled completely, and that's good. Basically, if I'm to scrap that though, and just talk about before we put the flooring down. Alright, so what I'm going to do though with the flooring is put a silicone layer right in the corner along here, because 1, I think it'll help it stick down the tiles more, and 2, it's the main point of entrance for most bugs, I think. So if we fill it in, then hopefully less animals will get in. So we're going to put the silicone around there. Then with the tiles, they're already sticky on the bottom, but because it's going onto lino again, I want to make it extra sticky, so we're putting some ultra nails on that.
and that'll go onto there. That'll stick in real tight with the silicone, and then yeah, repeat that and it'll be all good. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Let's go.
Right, so I have finished now the painting completely. I've taken off all the tape, and then I've gone along and made all the edges look real nice. Kinda, semi. I've tried. I've done my best. But yeah, standing up, it looks good. But yeah, now it's time for the flooring finally. Okay, so before I silicone the rims of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the tiles down and double check that I know what layout I'm going with. So I've got 10 of them, so that is 2 on top there, but I'll cut them so then they fill that. Then I have tiles all here, and then we'll just have this space without tiles, but that's where I'm going to put a seat anyway, so it should be all sweet. Alright, I've decided that we're just going to do the silicone. We're just going to do the silicone first. Get the flooring done today, and then that'll be this episode, and then the next episode we're practically ready just to deck this bad boy out with a bunch of stuff. Okay, so the way I think I want to do this is just really, really slim and like a small amount. That was a lot harder than expected, but I have siliconed the entire way around now. So now it's time to try and put in the tiles. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off. Oh my god, this is intense. Right, that's never coming off. I need a bag instantly, a towel. Alright, I'm thinking push and then squash. Down. Silicone's come up. It's just what I kind of wanted. Alright, let's do another one. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's perfect. Alright, so far we got 4 of them. Wait, no, 5. Oh, 6. Yeah. Sweet, eh? Okay, so I've ran out of daylight. I finished putting down 8 of them. I've only got the 2 little slips, 4 little slips on each one. I had to have down, and now it's, yeah, we're in the dark. So we are going to finish this off, but that's going to be it. And then the next video will be interior. So let's just get this done. I got to measure it out. I'm going to draw them up, cut them. Alright, that is our sheet. Oh yeah. It's not terrible. I mean, it's not great. Oh god, dude, that's gonna fit. Oh, what the hell have I done there? Oh my god, I just can't do anything right, but that is so good. Let's just put it down. I've made it slightly too short, which is gonna piss me off a lot, but whatever. Alright. Oh my god, we're finished. We're done. It's currently 8:50. We started, I came here at 11:30. I have completely finished painting the walls. I now have done the flooring, so that means that this is only episode 2. Episode, next part of me to this, I don't know, is going to be me completely decking it out now, because now we are ready for me to completely finish off the interior, and then I'll make one more video just showing off the complete product. But man, am I happy with what I've done today. It looked like a crack shed at the start of the day, and now it looks good. Let me show you real quick. Flooring's done, painting's done, and that's going to wrap up the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you do enjoy, yeah, let me know. Let me know where you guys want to see me put in here. I already have ideas, but yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.